You clicked on this video for a reason: to fix Roblox lag or freezing in Fish It, so the game actually runs smooth instead of stuttering every few seconds. I got you, so stick with me. And quick heads up, if this helps, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss fixes like this. First, fix your graphics settings. Before joining Fish It, open Roblox settings, switch graphics mode to manual, and lower it to 1 to 3 bars. Fish It loads a lot of effects and UI at once, and high graphics are the biggest cause of freezing. Next, restart Roblox completely. Don't just leave the game, fully close the app, reopen it, then join again. Long sessions build up cache and memory issues that cause random lag spikes. Now check your server. Lag in Fish It is often server side. Leave the game, go to the servers tab, and join a different server with fewer players. Crowded servers freeze more often, even on good devices. If you're on mobile, clear background apps and turn low power mode off. Power saving throttles performance and causes frame drops during movement, fishing, and UI pop-ups. For PC players, disable full screen once, then turn it back on after joining. Roblox has a known full screen stutter bug that hits heavier games like Fish It. One more thing that helps a lot: restart your device before long play sessions. It clears memory and instantly stabilizes Roblox performance. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment with your device and where the lag happens, and I'll help you fix it.